Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, and today we will teach you how to install ffmpeg in your Ubuntu. Okay, let's start it. In this clip is very short. Use this command sudo sudo apt install ffmpeg. -y and enter. Okay, now you use command. You reboot and test command. Go to root and shut down. No. Reboot. I think shut down. Okay, shut down. And open again. And now this is the password I will skip. Now open success. Now I will use this terminal and select command ffmpeg tab ffmpeg and enter. Now this is show command built in with TCC 11 in timing 11 in timing 11. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I hope you like my video. Goodbye.